Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So today I'm gonna do the EURUSD chart analysis for today's trade. So let's get started. So we are having multiple news in Euro and USD today, but the major high impact news is at 7 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So be cautious around this time. So now let's move to the charts. So this is the monthly time frame, and the price was having equal lows. The price swept these equal lows and broke this high. This gave us a strong low. The price reacted from this strong low but couldn't break this high. Rather, it broke below it. This gave us a bearish bias into the market since the price had broken the strong low. The price retraced back to this level right here where the candle had taken the high of the previous monthly candle, making this a strong zone of reaction, and the price moved into the downward direction after reacting from this strong zone right here. So after moving into the downward direction, the price couldn't break below all these equal lows, rather it swept it. This gave us a bullish bias into the market. So there is nothing more to see. Let's move to the weeklies now. So this is the weekly chart, and we can clearly see that the price was retracing back, and currently we are sweeping the previous swing of the weeklies and the price is moving into the upside direction. So we have nothing more to see here. So let's move to the dailies now. So this is the daily chart, and we can clearly see that the price was having a strong high. The price reacted from this strong high, moved into the downward direction, and currently we are into this zone right here. So now let's move to the 4 hours. So this is the 4-hour chart, and the price is reacting somewhere from this zone into the downward direction towards these equal lows. So what do we have right here is, this is the last point of mitigation where the price had mitigated. So if we are going to break this low, most likely we are going to take these accumulated liquidity sitting below this order flow right here. So currently we are targeting this order block, and I'm anticipating the price to move into the downward direction. So let's move to the 1 hours now. So this is the 1 hour chart, and we can see that the price is respecting this order flow right at this zone and moving into the downward direction. So if we are going to move into the downward direction, most likely we are going to sweep this low, move into the upside direction, and then move into the downward direction. So let's move to the 15 minutes for a detailed picture. So this is the 15-minute chart, and the price is sweeping the lows, and I'm anticipating the price to move into the upside direction, mitigate something over here, or mitigate this order flow and then move into the downward direction. So most likely I'm anticipating the Asia low to be swept by the market, and then the market will go into the upside direction and then move into the downward direction. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.